So we need to graph the following function. We can clearly see that this is a quadratic function, so our graph will look like a parabola. Let's try to figure out some facts about this parabola. First of all, if we write down the standard form of quadratic function, which is a times x squared plus bx plus c, we know that if a is positive, so if a is larger than 0, then the parabola opens up. Here for our function, we see that a is equal to 1, so x squared, the coefficient before x squared is 1, so a is equal to 1, which means that a is positive, which means that parabola opens up here. Opens up. Well, now let's try to find the vertex of our parabola. So the x coordinate of the vertex is equal to negative b over 2a. In our function x squared minus x plus 2, b is equal to negative 1. So this will be negative 1 over a is equal to 1, so 2a is equal to 2. And obviously this whole thing is equal to 1 over 2. Well, now we need to find y coordinate of the vertex. So we need to find f of 1 second. So this is equal to 1 over 2 squared minus 1 over 2 plus 2. Let's do the calculations. So 1 over 2 squared is 1/4. 1/4 minus 1 second is negative 1/4, and negative 1/4 plus 2 is 3, and negative 1/4 plus 2 is 1 and 3/4. So the vertex of our parabola, the vertex is 1 second and 1 and 3/4. Let's find this point on x and y plane. So actually let's change the scale a bit. So this is 1, this is 1, then the vertex will be at 1 second right here, and 1 and 3/4, 1 and 3/4 is somewhere here, I'd say, is somewhere here. So this should be the vertex. Vertex, let's write 1 and 3/4. Great, so we have found the vertex of our parabola, and we know that it opens up, so it will kind of look like this, yeah. But to build it, we need to find 2 more points, since parabola is defined by 3 points, and we have only 1 right now. So to find 2 more points, let's we can, for example, try to substitute x with any value. For instance, let's try to find the points where x is equal to 1. Then f of x, f of 1, is equal to 1 squared minus 1 plus 2. This is equal to 2. So we have found the point of our parabola, which is 1 and 2. Let's show it on the graph. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So this point is somewhere here. Well, now let's try to find the point where x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, then f of 0 is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 2. This is 0 minus 0 plus 2. This is equal to 2, so we get the point which is 0 and 2. It's right here. And now using these points we can build our parabola. So we just need to connect them smoothly. Do it look something like this. Here. Yeah, and this is our graph.